Currently, the activity hyperfixation of choice for my kids is painting, which I suspect they'll do 80 more times this week and then never again. And while they let me help sometimes, I don't know, I'm getting jealous, so I realized free will exists and I'm just gonna paint my own. We also have a ton of leftover paint from last time, so let's do it. I'm tired of outlining things, so I'm seeing if we can just paint over these clouds later. Coming back for those clouds. There's some kind of technique to be done here. One girl's garbage is another girl's garbage also. Hooray, we had fun. Mom, do you want me to mail this to you? Put it on the fridge?